Oh, it's been a long day here at the doghouse. Rose is like, leave me alone. Anyway, so I figure I'd do a long format video. A little bit upset with myself, but I'm also happy with myself. So this is a LoveRPi Elite Renegade. This is one I bought, oh my god, almost 4 or 5 years ago, and the bootloader's messed up on it, and the guy even told me that it's messed up, and I did try to fix it. I bought this one. Actually, I bought one from LoveRPi, but the little power button was pushed back and was broke. They luckily repaired it, but tonight I tried to put the case on and the power button broke. Now, I'm not too worried about that because I, can power it off and on. Power button it's cool, I'll figure out a way later to fix it, but I'm just happy that you guys don't understand something here. I've been trying to get a Elite Renegade up and running for 5 years. I finally got one up. I went with Armbian just because I did try to boot up with my Fedora live distro, and it went to a black screen. It probably will boot up. We'll try it again, but no, I'm having some good luck with my LoveRPi. Over here is the Alta, and I finally got a distro that works on it besides the regular, so I got KDE on there, and I'm very happy. The spins, for some odd reason, this would not work with this particular board. Okay, and even with the Raspberry Pi back there. But overall, guys, I'm enjoying working on stuff. Now, I did not put a eMMC on this. I'm probably going to do that later. But for now, like I said, check that out. 4 gigs, okay, 6 cores, and it's just awesome. And this is a generic ARM64 version of Armbian, and I'm running Cinnamon Debian, and it's working beautifully. So yeah, day 35, that's all I'm gonna say, and we're still kind of plowing through trying to work on past projects. So maybe I can fix that. If I can't, I'm not worried about it, because like I said, I can power it off and on. So anyway, this is TerrorPUP. Till next time. I want to wish you guys peace, and I'm really enjoying working on some of these past projects. I'll just add that to my pile of defunct boards. Talk to you guys later.